Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're going to be replacing a lower control arm on a 2013 to 2016 Mazda CX-5. This is an all-wheel drive version, but that doesn't matter when it comes to the lower control arm. Let me show you where we are here. All right. So this is the lower control arm right here. All right, it connects here, here, and here. I come over here. It's going to be a bolt. You hold this with a lock wrench. It's a 14 millimeter. You zip off the nut, take the whole bolt out. Over here, we have 19 millimeter, and over here, another 19 millimeter. You take them all out. You get a fork in here, hit it down, and it should come right out. We're going to do that now and show you what I'm doing. And I'm sorry if I didn't tell you. You have to take the wheel off, obviously, and jack it up on jack stands. Don't rely on a jack, okay? And the wheels, they're 21 millimeter. They're lugs, okay? And over here, there's it. Okay. Over here we go. Come on. It's going to come down here. What you do is you can get something in here. All right, and you see how this is, it squeezes together? Put like a wedge in there and hit it with a hammer just to open this up a little bit, and then just get a pry bar and you can just pry down on this, and that's going to release that. So now, all right, so to get this out, what you're going to do is you could jack up on the suspension a little bit while you hit this with a hammer. All right, so maybe you can get like, a jack under here. Just lift it up enough, like about 3 or 4 inches. All right, it's going to be up here, and then you're going to hit this part with a hammer to pop it out, and then the other bolts should be out, and it just comes out like that, and that's blown. Okay. And clean this up. This is what I was talking about before. What you can do is maybe get a little wedge in here, hit it with a hammer, open it up just a little bit more, clean this up so the new one slides in nice, okay? And the mounts where it mounted was here and in here, and the other one was in here that you get through here. All right? So now we're going to install it. Okay, we got the new one installed. All right, best way to do it is to tap up on the ball joint right here without the bolt in it, of course. Tap it, seat it up, put the bolt back in there, and then you're going to tap the whole thing. You see over here, it's not lined up yet. So we're going to just tap this whole thing in until we can get the bolt in there. And then the same thing over here. We're almost in line over here. Okay, just finagle it around a little bit until you can get 1, 2, and 3 bolts in, and you torque them down. Tighten this one down, and you're going to be good to go. And we torque this bolt. You torque that bolt to 35 pounds. Over here, 70, and the same thing here, 70 and 70. Okay. And like I said, it just slides right in. Best thing to do is get it from the front here with a ball joint. You slide that in. Put it on top of here. All right, and then you tap it until it lines up, and you just slide the bolts in. It's not that hard to do it all. All right, guys. Motorcarnut, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you learned something, I would appreciate a donation to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.